Cold nights, no lights, we were holding on. Empty plates on the table, but you stayed strong. Wore the same dress, hid the pain in your eyes. Told us everything's okay, even through the lies. Neighbors talked, yeah, they said your name. Didn't know your struggle, didn't know your pain. You walked miles just to bring us bread. Carried all the weight, never bowed your head.